The Chief Executive Officer of HMS Oil and Gas recently buried his mother, Mrs. Agbomma Nnamezie, who died at the age of 94 years at Uraku, Akamanato, Mgbakwu, Anambra State. Mrs. Agbomma Nnamezie before her death, was a dedicated Christian and the mother of 3 children, including the CEO of HMS Oil and Gas, Chief Emmanuel Nnamezie. Justice Onyemobi was there for ABS and our reports.
In a homily, the Bishop of Awka and Archbishop, Province of the Niger, Most Reverend Alexander Ibezim, described the late Mrs. Agbomma Nnamezie as a dedicated Christian who lived a life worthy of emulation and called on children to follow in her footsteps. While appreciating the sympathizers and well-wishers, Chief Emmanuel Nnamezie said that his mother lived a fulfilled life and should be celebrated, and expressed gratitude to God for the success of the event, and also thanked the priests who made out time to be with them, especially the Bishop of Ihamufu Diocese, Right Reverend Daniel Olenya. Condolence visits by in-laws and friends, special presentations by the Igbobuenyi age grade, and performances by Gorilla and other masquerades added glamour to the event.